Hello, this is my water overflow LRAM system. Inside this you can see a 9-volt battery here, and this is a main circuit board, and also you can see IC555 which is operating in astable multivibrator mode, and here is a BC547 transistor. To control the volume of this buzzer, I have used a preset of 10 kilo ohm. Whenever the water is full, the buzzer will be turned on and this LED light will glow. Now I'll turn on this switch. Okay, after turning on, I'll switch on the water pump. This is the pump MCB. Now it is in off position. I'll turn on the pump now. Okay, the pump is turned on. So whenever the water tank is full, the LED light will glow and the buzzer will be turned on automatically. Okay, the water is full now. So I need to turn off the pump now. I'll turn off. Okay, the water pump is turned off. So this system will be turned off automatically after few seconds. Thank you.